Good afternoon, my brothers and sisters. Someone asked the Lord, Lord, will only a few people be saved? Give us a number. Will there be few or will there be many? And Jesus did not give a number. Jesus did not say many or few, 100 or 1,000. Jesus did not give a number. And here is the problem with us. We are obsessed sometimes with numbers. We are more of quantity people. That is why even on Facebook, for example, you count how many are your followers, how many are your friends. Some of you collect things, rosaries. Ang dami ko ng rosaries. Iba't iba, galing sa iba't ibang mga pari, iba't ibang mga madre. Some of us collect stamps. Some of us collect coin. We are obsessed with number. Kaya kapag yung nag-post tayo sa Facebook at walang nagla-like, ay bakit? Bakit kaunti ang nag-like? At tuwan-tuwa tayo kapag maraming nag-like. At hindi lamang like, heart pa. And Jesus is reminding us, do not just be obsessed with numbers. Be concerned with quantity, not quality. There may be many, but quantity-wise, they are nothing. For example, you may have many friends on Facebook. More than 5,000. Kaya hindi mo na ma-add yung iba. Kasi nag-exceed, na-reach mo na yung ceiling ng Facebook. 5,000 friends. And then, nangailangan ka. Nalagay ka sa isang sitwasyon. Nagkasakit ka. Humingi ka ng tulong. I wonder how many of your 5,000 friends will come to your help. You will discover, kaunti lang naman pala talaga yung totoo kong kaibigan. Marami lang sa bilang, pero kokonti sa quality. And that is the reminder given to us by Jesus today. Importante sa Kanya, hindi ang bilang, kundi ang kalidad. At yan ang hahanapin niya sa atin. Alam niyo, kumisan, kami mga pare, tuwan-tuwa rin kami kapag ang simbahan puno, lalo na kung araw ng linggo. Wow, ang daming nagsimba. Pero minsan iniisip ko, ilang kaya sa mga nagsimba sa misa ko yung talagang tinamaan ng salita ng Diyos? Yung talagang nag-participate sa banal na misa. Maaaring marami, pero mababa ang kalidad. Isa sa mga ipinagmamalaki natin mga Pilipino, tayo ay isang Kristiyanong bansa. I think 86% of Filipinos are Christians. And majority of those Christians are Catholics. Di ba? Maraming Katoliko. Pero bakit ganito ang buhay natin? Sino ba yung mga nangungurakot sa gobyerno? Hindi ba't mga Katoliko ang karamihan sa kanila? Graduate pa nga ng Catholic school. Sino ba yung mga contractors na yan? Hindi ba't yan ay mga taong masasabi nating nabinyagan? Baka nga iba dyan malaki pang mag-donate sa simbahan. Aray ko, no? Mga mita ng mga pari, no? Di ba? We are very proud of saying we are Christian nation. But how come our country is like this? quality over quantity. Because I believe we will enter into heaven not because we attended so much number of masses, not so much because we prayed so many rosaries. We will enter heaven because of the quality of our life. I am not saying attending Mass is not important. Okay? I am not saying that. I am not saying that not praying the rosary is not important. I am not saying that praying the novena to the perpetual help is not important. They are important. But they have to be combined with quality of life. Kasi anong gusto niyong marinig kapag kayo ay namatay at kumakatok kayo sa pinto ng langit? Anong gusto niyong marinig? Ang sabihin ni Jesus, hindi ko kayo kilala. O sabihin ni Jesus, halika, you belong to me. You are mine. Amen.